Hello YouTube. So this here is the carburetor off of the lawnmower motor swap project I've got going. It's already been swapped out, and instead of we had spark, we had compression. She fired off with some ether in there. Whereas another famous YouTuber says Cosby's can set in a can. Works out real nice. And little shout out to Zip Ties and Bias Plies. Great guy. If you have kids, don't watch it with kids. But, well, unless you want to learn a whole bunch of new words that, sailors use. So anyhow, what we're going to do today is tear this down, break it apart, and take a look-see in there if it's just dirty, gummed up, and whatnot, or if I need to rebuild or replace it, which if I'm going to go ahead and, I'm just going to go ahead and say if it needs to be rebuilt, it's going to be cheaper and easier for me to just replace it. These carburetors are $24 off of the Amazon, and well, let's go ahead and start breaking her down. So inside of here, you see the throttle, it moves pretty free and clear, and it looks fairly clean up inside of there, so I'm not too concerned about that. So I guess now my question is if this float and whatnot in the fuel bowl is good or not. So go ahead and break that bolt off of there. Plastic grip handle, screwdriver, nothing to it. So especially when you're pulling them out, make sure you're taking systematically pull everything apart, because these can be kind of tricky. Now I need an Allen to kind of unlock that. And biggest Allen don't fit. Yep. Freaking metric. Taking. Loosen that up. Okay. There we are, nice and loose in there. And she is sticky. So the gasket's holding on there pretty good then. She's sealed up. Make sure there's no other screws in there that I'm missing. Screw. Yeah. So that's where you take the trusty old flathead. Just take a nice easy pry to it. Oh, pop her right off of there. Nothing to it. So well, there's your problem right there. So the float, if you can see, right in there, is supposed to set back over here, down just a hair and up and in, to be able to actually regulate the fuel going in and out. So, just like that. Ooh. So there's a few issues in here. First, it's missing pieces. Okay. And that is not good. If you can see, that's supposed to be gasoline in there, and the gasoline doesn't look like oil. So from here, it's looking like I'm gonna go to the Amazons and get myself a new carburetor, because that little needle valve there it's just all bunged up, and that ain't gonna do nobody no good. So I got that. Yep. So upon real quick inspection of it, just those two parts alone, I don't know. I might look at a rebuild kit, but more than likely I'll just end up getting a whole new carburetor because I've already found the carburetor on the internet and I wasn't able to find a rebuild kit for this one specifically just yet. So that's where we're at. So subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. And part 2 will be coming, or I guess this is part 2. So part 3 will be coming up where I install the carburetor, the new carburetor, whenever it comes in, and we'll get that mower fired right off and go mow the lawn because the HOA is starting to get on my case again. And I don't know why I decided to live in one of these places, but all right. So don't forget, like, subscribe, share, comment, all that, whatever you want to do. And we'll catch you next time.